Choose happiness, a journey into Stoicism for fulfillment of your life. I extend my gratitude for joining me today as we venture into the depths of Stoic wisdom. This video serves as a beacon, illuminating the path towards embracing the profound teachings of Stoicism. Together, let us delve into the timeless insights of ancient philosophers and unveil their relevance in our modern existence. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be stirred by inspiration. Rule 1: Riding the waves of change. Life's like a roller coaster, full of ups, downs, and loop-de-loops. Stoicism reminds us to buckle up and enjoy the ride, knowing that change is inevitable. By embracing life's twists and turns, we can find joy in the journey, instead of obsessing over the destination. Rule 2: The gratitude attitude. Ever noticed how saying thank you can turn a frown upside down? That's the power of gratitude, Stoic style. By counting our blessings and appreciating the little things, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we've got. It's like swapping a gloomy gray sky for a rainbow of happiness. Rule 3: Delving into Stoicism. Stoicism, originating from ancient Greece, presents us with a guiding framework to attain inner tranquility and satisfaction. Its essence lies in the notion that genuine happiness springs from our mastery over thoughts, emotions, and responses to external circumstances. By embracing Stoic principles, we equip ourselves to find solace and fulfillment amidst life's trials. Rule 4: Harnessing perception's might. At the core of Stoicism resides the principle that our happiness is not dictated by external events, but rather by our interpretation of them. Thus, it is not the circumstances themselves that impact us, but our chosen perspective and ensuing actions. Through a shift in viewpoint and the adoption of a positive mindset, we wield the power to transmute adversity into opportunities for personal growth. Rule 5: Embracing Stoic virtues. Stoicism beckons us to nurture 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. Wisdom enables discerning decisions and penetrating insights. Courage emboldens us to confront fears and surmount obstacles. Temperance guides us towards moderation in desires, averting excess. Lastly, justice underscores the significance of equitable and compassionate treatment of others. By embodying these virtues, we craft lives imbued with integrity and purpose. Rule 6: Cultivating Stoic mindfulness. Mindfulness emerges as a potent ally in the Stoic journey, fostering presence, concentration, and self-awareness. Through mindfulness practices, we attain mastery over our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Daily introspection and journaling serve as conduits for deepening self-understanding and aligning with our values and aspirations. Rule 7: Grasping the dichotomy of control. Stoicism instructs us to discern between the spheres of influence and those beyond our grasp. By directing our energies towards the realms we can shape our thoughts, attitudes, and actions, we liberate ourselves from the weight of concerns over uncontrollable external forces. This realization empowers us to confront life's uncertainties with grace and resilience. Rule 8: Embracing the transience of existence. Stoicism underscores the fleeting nature of existence and the inevitability of change. Through embracing the impermanence of all things, we foster an appreciation for the present moment and release attachments to outcomes. This mindset cultivates a profound sense of fulfillment, shifting our focus from destination-oriented pursuits to savoring the journey itself. Rule 9: Nurturing the spirit of gratitude. Gratitude stands as a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Through regular expressions of gratitude for life's blessings, we pivot our attention from scarcity to abundance. This practice fosters a deep sense of contentment, amplifying our awareness of the richness and beauty inherent in our lives. Sorting out what's in your control. Rule 10: Becoming a virtuous superhero. Stoicism asks us to level up in 4 key areas: wisdom, courage, self-control, and fairness. Picture this: wisdom is our superhero knowledge, courage is our cape of bravery, self-control is our shield against temptation, and fairness is our superpower of kindness. With these virtues, we become unstoppable forces for good in the world. In summation, Stoicism unveils a timeless blueprint for crafting a life replete with meaning and fulfillment. By embracing its tenets of perception, virtues, mindfulness, and gratitude, we assert our agency in choosing happiness amidst life's vicissitudes. Let us embark on this collective voyage, guided by Stoicism towards an existence characterized by joy, purpose, and inner serenity.